everybody, here's Rusty. He just had a surgery on his ear and he had a hematoma. I know, he's so cute, right? Anyways, he's gonna be fine. He's got the greatest attitude in the world. I walk by him and I laugh at him and he starts wagging his tail. I'm still working on that importance thing. You know, where I think he's like the most important thing in my whole world. Yeah, I'm working on that. Hey, Kathie Owen here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I talk about transforming your life in magic fashion. Today, I'm going to teach you a lesson about projection. And it's kind of a little different than I usually talk about, but if you want to know what somebody's up to, find out what they're projecting onto you. Yeah. See you inside. Projection. What is it? Well, let me tell you an example of something that happened that maybe will make projection make more sense to you. So, back in the day when I was going through my divorce of 14 friggin' years, yeah, my ex used to accuse me, his wife used to accuse me of the craziest things. Crazy things. One example was his wife told a psychologist that I locked my kids in their room and put a chair under the door so they couldn't get out. I'm like, oh, yeah. You should know me by now. That's like, don't even cross my mind. I don't even think like that. So I was in therapy talking to my therapist about it one time, and she's like, Kathie, how do your doors open? And I thought about that, and I'm like, most doors open with the doorknob and you push it in. If you put a chair underneath there, when the kid tries to open the door, the chair's just going to fall in on him. Yeah, no, it didn't happen. That was projection on her part. And not saying she was doing that to my kids, although I don't know, I wouldn't put it past her, but I really don't think she did. I think more along the lines that that's happened to her in her life. And that's why she was just drawing at straws, I don't know, to get me in trouble, like she often did. Anyways, you got to find humor in that. And my therapist put it to me like this. She didn't actually call that thing projection. That was just me overcoming that victim mentality that I had, thinking, oh my God, they're accusing me of something I didn't do. How do I prove myself right? And, you know, that was pretty simple. But that was projection on her part. So projection can tell you what the other person is doing when you don't even think about it. So it's kind of like this. If somebody was to tell me right now, damn, Kathie, that's an ugly, ugly yellow shirt you're wearing. Well, first of all, maybe they're colorblind. Or second of all, they're projecting onto me because they're wearing a yellow shirt. That's a pretty simple explanation. Another way you can put it is if somebody tells you you have a really big, gigantic nose, what is up with that? And you know you don't have a big, gigantic nose, and you look at them and they do, and you go, oh, I see. This can really help in relationships, and I mean help you have the slight edge. Because especially when you first start dating somebody, or you've been dating for somebody for a long time, and all of a sudden their behavior changes and they're starting to accuse you of all kinds of crazy things that you know you're not doing, it's most likely projection. And it's not something to go act upon and go get a private investigator and have them followed to see what they're doing. It's more about putting yourself into power and realizing it's not about you, it's about them. However, we are all one, and we want to be compassionate about that. If they're accusing you of cheating, they're probably cheating. If you're not, first of all, you got to be dead spot on that you are not. And then if they are accusing you of all, and it happens more than once, you're going to have several opportunities to get your power back on that, because you could go, oh, I see that's some projection taking place. And how can I make my thoughts in a better quality to overcome this and to help our relationship get better? Projection is a little secret. It's a little gift from the universe just to help you find out what the other person is doing. That's what I've always said. So just use it to your advantage. And like I said, there's advantage in everything. And you can use that with faith, with thought quality, along the same lines my videos have been on. And you can transform it into power. That's what you want. You want to use it as power. You don't want to use it against them. That's not power. That is anger. That is jealousy. That's envy. That's not a good thought quality. Those thought qualities are, and actually your power will reflect in the way your thought quality is going. So if you use it, it's like, oh, they're accusing me of cheating and I'm not cheating. How can I look at this better? Well, it can give you power to say, well, if they got to do that, then maybe we're just not meant to be, and I need to start finding ways out of the relationship, which you can use to your advantage, because I'm a firm believer, if you think with high thought quality, you're going to be given the steps and guidance to go where you need to go. However, if you jump off in the deep end and go off into jealousy, anger, hatred, meanness, you're going to get that in return. That's a freaking guarantee. For sure. Across the board. So that's my video for today on projection. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, leave a comment in the description, in the comments below. And as always, I'll see you next time. Peace out and namaste.